Real talk. A lot of people believe that being a manager is all about barking orders and having complete control over their team. But the reality is that sometimes managers can lose control and they don't know how to get it back. They don't know how to earn the trust from their team. In this video, I'm going to share with you 6 ways that managers lose control of their teams so that you don't make these mistakes. Welcome to the channel, Leadership with Mike. On this channel, I help you become a more confident leader, and I do this with no nonsense sense, if that makes any sense. Managing a team doesn't have to be about having the iron grip. Sure, it is important for managers to maintain control of their teams, but this can become tricky when things start to go off track. So what's going to derail your team? The first thing is a lack of communications. If managers do not communicate clearly their expectations, goals, and feedback to the team will become disengaged and unproductive. If managers become micromanagers, micromanagement, that's when a manager excessively monitors and controls the work of their team members, often down to the smallest of details. This can lead to a lack of trust and autonomy among team members, which can result in low morale, low motivation, and high turnover. When you're not physically or emotionally present, it can create a feeling of disconnection within the team. When they feel that you don't care, guess what? They don't care. If this video has been useful so far, do not miss out on other amazing free resources in the description below. Make sure you take advantage of them. They're there for that. Next is having unrealistic expectations. When managers set expectations that are too high or that are not achievable with the current resources and capabilities of the team, it leads to feelings of inadequacy and disappointment among your team members. Clearly not good. Next is just being insensitive to the team needs. When managers are not aware or responsive to the needs of their team members, it's going to lead to a lack of engagement and trust. To me, this is a no-brainer. And one of the biggest ways to lose control of your team is by making too many changes all at once. When managers implement multiple changes to processes, systems, or structures all at once, it leads to confusion and uncertainty among team members. So if any of this sounds familiar, do not worry, you're not alone. The good news is that there are ways to fix the issue and get your team on board. But what you don't want is your staff turning around and undermining you. I can help you with that right here, because that's what I'm talking about in this video. So get your coffee and I'll see you over there.